On top inside Edo today, Joe Okoje don do Christmas and New Year jollificate for him local government people. Special adviser to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top agriculture and food security, when I still be APC leader for Esan Northeast for Uromi, Prince Joe Okoje don do Christmas and New Year jollification give him local government people as him don share bags of rice, bags of salt, cartons of drinks and cows for all the wards wey dey for him local government, him ward leaders, him community people plus the widows wey dey for him local government. Na after him don do this one, na him come still add envelope join make dem take jollificate the celebration well. Make una sabi say Okoje don dey do this kind of ogbonge thing for 10 years as him dey make sure say him dey put smile for all him local government people face every year. Na so the beneficiaries of the jollificate come dey pray for their leader unto the ogbonge thing wey him dey do for them. Some of the beneficiaries come follow tori people talk on top how belle take sweet them. Unto say Prince Joe Okoje don put better smile for their face this season.
May God continue to be with him, especially for this year 2020, that God will help him, bless his family, bless his relations, and continue to bless the women, all the widows in Nigeria. And may Almighty God be with him and help him to be able to grow in the faith of the Lord.
Now here we see this ogbonge updates reach on top inside Edo today. On top say Prince Joe Okoje don do Christmas and New Year jollificate give him local government people. Make una sabi say this ogbonge update wey come meet una so na T Live Media and I'm bring am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.